Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinataob ng Chiritigo Crossovers ang Galleries Tower High Risers 30-28, 20-25, 19-25, 25-16, 15-8. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Cez Robles sa likod ng kanyang 21 points mula sa 20 attacks at 1 ace. Nag-ambag naman si Maranyo ng 15 points, 3 blocks at 2 aces. Gaston 14 points, 13 attacks. Vicar 1 point, 1 ace. Nervas 21 digs at 10 excellent receptions. Nabor 1 point, 13 excellent sets. Robles 21 points, 20 attacks, 1 ace, 9 digs, 11 excellent receptions. Galang 11 points, 3 blocks. Nag-ambag din si Adorador ng 13 points. Rodriguez 2 points. Jolia Samonte 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Galleries Tower High Risers, humakot si Ronquillo ng 18 points, 17 attacks. Jimenez 15 points, 14 attacks. Marza 9 points, 3 blocks. Baliton 7 points, 2 blocks. Encarnacion 16 points, 3 attacks, 7 digs, 11 excellent receptions. Coronel 5 points, 2 aces, 12 excellent sets. Alaysa Iroa 26 excellent digs. Mariginot 4 points. Paran 8 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis naman ng Petrogas Angels ang Signal HD Spikers 25-19, 25-21, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Brock Van Sickle sa likod na kanang 19 points mula sa 13 attacks at 6 blocks. May kasamang 7 excellent digs. Nag-ambag naman si Myla Pablo ng 15 points mula sa 15 attacks. Janelle Cheng 5 points, 2 blocks, 11 excellent sets. Pontellas 3 points, 1 block, 10 excellent digs. Phillips 11 points, 1 ace. Barbon 11 excellent receptions. Jonas Sabete 3 points. Saet 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Signal HD Spikers, nagtala si Molina ng 10 points, 9 attacks, 1 ace at 4 excellent receptions. Gandler 9.7 attacks at 7 excellent digs. Fernandez 2 points, 1 block. Acona 6 points, 1 block. Katindig 1.9 digs at 11 excellent receptions. Cayuna 1 point at 11 excellent sets. Nag-ambag din si Doria Aquino ng 6 points. Judith Abel 2 points. Meneses 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 15, 2024. Petrogas Angels 5 wins, 1 loss, 15 points. Signal HD Spikers 4 wins, 1 loss, 12 points. Creamline Coal Smashers 4 wins, 0 loss, 11 points. Chiritigo Crossovers 4 wins, 2 losses, 10 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 3 wins, 2 losses, 9 points. Akari Chargers 3 wins, 3 losses, 9 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 3 wins, 3 losses, 7 points. Zos Thunderbells 2 wins, 3 losses, 7 points. Farm Fresh 2 wins, 3 losses, 7 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 5 losses, 5 points. Capital Solar Spikers 1 win, 4 losses, 4 points. NLEX Lead Chameleons 0 win, 5 losses, 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong January 18, 2025 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang Farm Fresh at NLEX Lead Chameleons 1:30 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng Zos Thunderbells ang Chocomocho Flying Titans 4:00 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Akari Chargers at PLDT High Speed Hitters 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.